Alright guys, I'm gonna come down here and we're gonna listen for turkeys for in the morning. So maybe we can get one roosted and get them killed in the morning. Alright guys, we just got to the spot and let's see if we can't hear anything. So guys, I think it's a little too early right now. So I'll start recording it again when it gets a little bit later and maybe we'll hear something. Alright, let's see if we hear anything now. Alright guys, let's see if we can hear anything here. Still nothing yet. Maybe we can hear one gobble before or right when it starts to get dark. Alright guys, it's getting later. I didn't really hear much of nothing, so I guess we'll just come down here in the morning and see if we can't get one. Alright guys, I've been down here for about 10 minutes now and I still haven't heard nothing yet, so maybe we'll hear something. Alright guys, I just moved to another spot on the other side of the property and I'm gonna see if I can't hear anything here. Alright guys, it's going on about 8 o'clock now. Still haven't heard much of nothing and I don't think they're here. But I'm gonna wait it out and stay down here until about 10. Maybe I can hear something by then and I'll let y'all know when I do. Alright guys, I moved back to where I was this morning. I thought I heard a gobble, so I came over here, but I guess I was just hearing stuff. I still haven't heard nothing. It's going on about 8:30, I think. So, I don't know, maybe I can hear something. Guys, I just heard the first gobble. He already gobbled twice, and he was back this way. He just gobbled again. Guys, I just had him like 20 yards back behind me. He came in silent, and he came from my right and went around, and I heard him spitting drum one time back behind me, and I don't know where he went. I guess he ran or whatever because I haven't heard no more spitting and drumming, and I don't know where he could have went. Alright guys, the last gobble I heard was about 10-ish minutes ago. I'm gonna just sit down here, call a little bit every now and then, and see if I can't get one to strike up, and should be good from there. Alright guys, it's been about 2 minutes. I just had one strike up. He answered, or he gobbled back to my call, so I'm gonna see if I can't call him in. Guys, I haven't heard much since 11-ish. So we're gonna call it. I had a good morning, even though we didn't kill one. I heard a bunch of birds, but it took them a little bit to start gobbling. I didn't hear the first bird till like 9:30ish. So thanks for watching and see you next time.